Hey everyone, Dave Cook coming at you with the Franco Painting and Wallpaper, and this is some paper we are hanging today, our Carnegie Xorel. So Alonzo and Britton are playing with it over there, because one of the things with the paper is it comes untrimmed, so you have to pre-trim it. With this one side has 2 inches has to be pre-trimmed off. The other side is almost 3.5 inches it has to be pre-trimmed. So it makes it tricky on this project because we are hanging it on a 2-story accent wall with stairs. So the place here, we don't really have room that we can pre-trim the large piece, so it's they're just working on it and cutting as they go to pre-trim the excess off of there. So as they pre-trim it, kind of re-engineered so how we're going to hang it on this wall, one piece there to come down all the way on the stairs, and then where the stair is, they'll come down below that in a piece, and over here there's a little 6-inch piece, so there'll be a second piece that comes down, but then that stair comes there, they'll cut it across and then come down again so you can't see it on the staircase. So there's just a couple tricks on this stuff before you put it up. It's got to be pre-trimmed. It's got a paper backing, so they'll be hitting with a paste machine on this one just to be able to pull it, make it paste faster. As they're hanging this stuff will dry out pretty quick because you have a bunch of obstructions on this first piece that we have to cut around. So there's our project for today. If you have questions on painting your if you have questions about installing wallpaper in your home or business, give us a call to Franco Painting and Wallpaper. We're here to help you love the space you're in.